start a new project. Look, many people do not understand how to start a new project. Okay, so they need to understand that they click them, then they need to understand where this is very very important today. And then I will also might make your mind to ensure about this frame, because the frame is very very important. Without knowing this, you will not able to understand or do all things better. You must know that what are the frames we have and which is the best one today in the latest one, that is 4.5. okay, and with this we can run the applications. Okay, so on C# we have both things, that we can start C# as basically fundamental, that is starting with a Windows Forms application. Okay, this is called application. Okay, so application, and the name you are giving is today is table, how to create table. Okay, and that these all that set the directory that already has been put, and the name is project. So okay, your frame, that is called also design frame. The form has CS. Okay, CS also called .cs is C#. So this is the frame where you are seeing this form, as well as here is the property. All these things are taken last day. Even we haven't discussed about this, that how many things are there you have to use with this these as known as property. This is very very important. Property name is property. Okay, and everyone has to know that what is property, and this is the decoration of property, where you want, these are the sides. If you click here, you click here, you click here, these are different sides where you want to put this. Okay, anywhere you can do your. So suppose I want to here, so I can put it. Okay, now I can make bigger my phone, this bigger one, and now quickly I go to tools, and because tools is the one common thing, and I click here button, and click here button. I'll extend the size of button, and we'll change the property, and we'll say click here. Okay, and second thing I'll open here is label. So it is label, put it here, and also right click and property. Okay, I can also click property here, and even I can directly click here, it's a label. Okay, so this is a whole property of this connected to. So I type here this okay, and to begin. Now I want size bigger, I cannot extend it, so I go here and click on the font. Okay, so I can increase the size, and I can change the font name, which font I want, I can change it from here. Okay, any font that I like, I will click on that. Okay, and even then the size which I will like most, that is it. Okay, table program, and color, which color you want. Suppose you want this color, you want this color, and now even this color you can change. Now click here and type other field, that is text box. So we need text box. You can click here. This is text box. What I want type there in the text box. I need something like even I want level. Level. Will be calculated, and then will be given in answer in the list box. Okay, list box. So it is a list box, and you can see this okay, using list box. And I said last time that we can put all these things in a particular so you will type your number, and the number will be run from run button. So as you click on the run button, you will go in the background. Okay, so again we have, this is the design that we are seeing. So this is also important, but when you are using the codes, so this is default line, these are the default lines, they will come automatically. Sometimes some lines are missing, then you have to add them even, okay, but all the lines must be visualized here, okay, from this to this whole. But this is set of using, means these are the system provides these all services and they are attached with the system from our system, but these all are taken from the our whole computer system, okay, so they are used from there. Although this reader is our Visual Studio, but they are utilized from our system, okay. Now namespace is a very common thing that is in the C#. We have been already discussed. I will discuss more about C# later. C namespace. What is the namespace in C#? Now this is the first end that I have defined on the namespace, and this ends here, okay, that ends here. And second is the most common is for what happens in this form, all the things of the form will be discussed here, okay. Means that based on whatever we want to do, the completely this to this is the main, okay. This is the form, the complete form that we are seeing here. Whatever in this and whatever the property there is, these all things will be only discussed in this, okay. Even there is the initializing, this is the public form initializing. It is the component that's very fast to run, okay. The program will start from this initializing, okay. You can add something else also, something you want to do something additionally work can be done here. But our button that we are using means when you click on this button, so clicking this button redirect to this code, okay. Even if I delete this method, so this will be in problem, because that we have this stuff. So it is saying here that preventing the possible query, because that is dependent on that line, okay, that has been gone. So when undo this code, it will be displayed here automatically. So this is very, but if we delete this from here, so we'll say that line here, okay. Then we do some work here, and now we type here our program. What have type here? As we click, so we need the value that will come from this, okay. You will check that. So what you know that the name, we have to give the name for this, okay. We have to give the name for this. How the system will recognize? How will the system recognize this value? Okay. So we have to know the name. So what do? We click here and check here. Okay. So what's the name of this? There are two things. One is the name of this text box and the value in this text box. The value is blank, but name of this text box is here, okay. So what I want the name of this text box, I want txt text, and I want the name table, okay, txt table or txt number, okay, txt number, okay. Now I want here the txt number. Text number will come here, so I will define. But I need text number here also. I need also here the value will be multiplied to a number and will come a result. So I need two more variables. Okay, I need two more variables. Multiply or we say this serial number, S number, okay, C number. We can do this also. First we loop our C number, okay. So we can do one thing is for C and O equal to 1, and C and O less than or equal 10, or you can say less than 10 and So this we have done it. Okay, this we have done it. Now what we do is we give the name of this text box. The name of this text box is this. Okay? What I want list LST table. List table. So list table will be displayed. Okay. So when this counting starts, so SNO will be multiply with that input. Okay, the number into num. Num is the number that we have used here, define converting the integer into 16 bit. That is the numerical value always 2 byte equal to 16 bit. Okay, so 2 byte equal to 16 bit. So 16 bits is 2 byte. So that has been converted. Okay, now we are using it here. So this value is this. Okay, what happens? So I will check the name that list table dot item. Okay, items dot add under the bracket. Now today we have also the method that to print. First we shall print value of the table, that is we have input. Okay, yeah, that's the main which we are input. We have input, so that is a num. Okay, num is a variable. So plus means that is used to add another thing. So that is will be the sign of x. Okay, and plus we shall use now by repeating serial number SNO, and plus we will use here the symbol of equal. Okay, equal symbol, and plus we can use the variable that we have defined multiply. Now you understand everything well, and that's it. So these is the first number numerical here, okay, and multiplied under this value which will be displayed. Okay, that we have put on the numerical cell. Okay, what the value we have put here will be displayed as num, and SNO serial number, that serial number we have used here as first we have defined as integer, and now we have used as a loop here. Okay, loop by for loop we have used this till less than 10. Okay, and also equal. That's not equal to 10. Okay, so this will be repeatedly first time in the first single time. This will be repeating and repeating and repeating and 10 times. This will be done 10 times. So this is called repeating loop, also called loop. Now as we go here and run debug also. So first this program under this, and this is a result. So as you see here, there is no value, and you click and it is not giving any answer because we have not done anything to here. So this will be showing you error in the background. You see this it's running and showing the error. You will see this list here locally. Input was not in correct format. So this is very, you have to understand this is the main error which happens mostly, runtime error you can say. So we have to go back and again run it. When you run this program, now you will put there suppose 1. Okay, and we click it, so we get 1 into 1 equal to 1, 1 equal to 2, 2 equal to 3, 1 equal to 4, like this until 10. So if you change this value and you click here 3, so 3 over 3, the same thing. Okay, if we put this value and use this 5, so you will see table of 5. So this repeatedly you can do, that's the thing in how we get answer. And now I need to also clear this, so I also can make a table to reload and clear it. Okay, so that's the program. You have to enjoy it. Thank you friends, and have a nice day.